Hello. Right, you may have these old cordless drills will have these kind of batteries in these cells. If they've gone totally dead and they won't take no charge, what you need to do is you kind of like spike the battery. Putting them in charge will not hold charge. What you need to do is put a higher voltage onto them. Right, you'll see here this battery has 0 volts. There's more voltage in me than the battery, as you can see. So what you do is you get something more powerful. Let's have a look. Here we go, we've got a small battery charger here. That'd be perfect. What I've done is put the battery charger on to 6 volts. There you go. One and there. So you can see little sparks. Connect it on. See what voltage there is. Voltage gone up to 1.6. The 6 volt charger is tripped out. Back on again. Keep tripping out because it's been too much current through. This battery is a 1.2 volt. It should get warm after a while. Sometimes I have a 12 volt high amperage adapter which does it quicker. See, when it's tripped out it's still keeping some voltage, and this is what I've done on more batteries. This is out of a 9 volt drill. This is about 6 months since I charged this one last. See what the voltage is there. 11 volts. So when it's under load it goes down to 9 volts. It's fully charged. I did the same thing with that. Put higher voltage through. Putting high current through, like for a weld or something that people try, you're still only putting like 1 or 2 volts in. It needs higher voltage, not higher amperage. You see that's kept some voltage in, so we can make it spark. So you can see the little sparks coming off it. But it's took some charge and hold the amperage. But even after arcing it, then it still kept some. Look out for sparks. I can see them on with my eyes, but it doesn't seem to be coming up on the camera. I'll let it charge a bit more. Turn the bright light off. I'll take that off. So I can get the spark on camera now with the light off. I think it's just showing up on camera. It's gone. Anyway, this one's been 6 months, maybe a bit longer since I charged it last, and look at the these are a few little sparks, but it's been months since I charged this. Let's see what can run off it. So I've got enough power to run this motor. a little compressor motor. Let's try to turn it. Not quite though. A little charger, that should be fine though. Okay, a little charge. Turn the charger off now. Not quite got the power to do it. But I left that charging for a few minutes. I'll run. I use this battery to run a balance board. Run it for a while. I'll check this again, see if I can make any sparks out of it. Yep. Good. I'll turn the battery charger off now. See what it tries to power. The compressor's running now just on the battery, the charger's off. You see, it's easy to bring these little cells back to life. Sometimes they're covered in rust. So all covered in rust in the end. Just get a wire brush, brush it off. That rust conducts electric and ends up making it, draining itself. Oh, turn the charger back on. Charger off. Drop my phone. These batteries are from 1996, I think it were. The battery had a date on it when someone gave me all the old batteries. So those used in 1996. I don't know what year those made. So getting power 1.3 volts, but no amperage yet. Big wires everywhere. Yeah, but that's how you bring the cells back. All these cells are these haven't been charged since the white pack. You see this? I'm saying this is like 6 ohms. Look at the sparks. They're almost welded back together. Well, that's how you bring these all cells back together. That's warmed up a bit. Okay, thanks for watching.